Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of November 8th through the 14th. And I'm using this kit from Planner Deli. This is just the first page. It's called Apple and Cinnamon. It has some full boxes, some headers, various kinds, some sidebar stuff, and a few functional things. I think it's super cute and fun. I didn't print off the second page. I don't know why. I just didn't feel like it. I did pull some of my own washi. These two are from Michaels. This one's from AC Moore, but it's by a company that's now owned by Michaels. And then these two are from Amazon. I don't know if I'm going to use them, but I have them just in case. My plan, since I really like this like bit of blue that's in there, I kind of want to pull in a few more pops of blue. So I am going to use this washi and this washi for the bottom. I think that's going to be really cute. My plan is to do today, and then along the bottom there are 3 little things, headers. I don't know if you can read it from here, but and then 4 bow headers, so I'm going to alternate those. So that's my plan. I'm going to stick all of those things down and then come back so that we can do all the interesting bits. All right, here is where we're at right now. I'm really liking it. I feel like we got all the major colors this way. I ended up deciding to put the little things on the outside so that I could get like the alternating here. I thought that worked out well. So in terms of boxes, I feel like these two go together, and those two go together, which leaves these two as kind of like the most misfit in my opinion. Not in a bad way, just as a thing. So I'm going to put this one as my quote box. I have scrippy scraps all over me. All right. It's going to be fine. All right, so there's my quote box. And then the other kind of like gold heavy one. It's been a long time debating if I was going to do gold foil with this kit and decided not to. I guess I could change my mind, but I like it. Kind of like a little more chill. All right, there we go. Then let's see. I feel like I want the red ones here on Tuesday and Saturday. Because this is like a non-red header section. You know, spread out the colors a little. There we go. So, do I want white or green? I think I'm going to do white next on the inside. So, I'm going to stick this one on Friday. Ooh, I forgot to pull a sticker. Okay, whatever. I can grab it later. And don't worry about it. Okay, and then last up are these green ones. Wow, I just pulled off like a lot of the sticker backer on this sticker, but hopefully it stays where it's supposed to. And then this guy. Is gonna go over here. All right, so that's kind of where we stand right now. Looking at the sidebar, I have this week, next week, personal, and remember as the 4 headers. I think I'm gonna use the this week one. Like so. gonna stick down. I feel like it makes the most sense to stick the meals one with it this week. Like so. And then I'm also going to stick, I think, Remember underneath it. And I'm going to stick this little checkbox guy like so. And then I have this chunk of space left. So I'm going to take the last divider that I have kind of just hanging out. I'm going to stick that down. And then I'm going to stick some of this blue one down. Like so. Trying to get them to not like all line up. Does this one fit? Nope, I think I need a skinny one. Maybe I'll use this tan one. I feel like it's always a good choice because it goes with basically everything. There we go. All right, that's my sidebar. I think that turned out all right. I did not pull any work stickers either. Hang on. I apparently did some poor planning and did not grab everything I needed to, but it's fine. 4 work stickers this week. What should I use? I have so many options. Maybe I'll use these guys. Sure. All right, so these are from Piper Paper Company. As I mentioned every time, I do have a 20% off code down below. It does also get me a little bit of credit for her shop. Feel free to use it if you like. No pressure if you don't want to, but it's there. So I'm going to stick these down to mark work. I feel like I have such a tendency to hoard her stickers, and I'm not really sure why. I mean, I kind of hoard all the stickers, but I feel like this is one of the worst ones. It's not a totally straight line, but close enough. I'm not hugely concerned. Underneath that, I do want to mark my video. It'll be my plan with me. I think I'm going to use these guys, or do I use these guys? Sure, I'll use these guys. I feel like it's enough red. I'm just going to stick one on my hand so I don't forget for the second video. But this is going to be for my plan with me. Also on Monday, I think I'm going to do a movie night with friends, but I'm not totally sure, so I'm just going to leave that blank. I do have these kind of like half boxes, which I could use for that. I feel like that would be a good amount. And then I have these 4-box checklists for whichever days turn out to be really busy. Tuesday, I don't really know what's happening, but Wednesday, pretty early in the day, I am getting my booster for my COVID-19 vaccine. I have some pre-existing conditions that make me more susceptible. I think I'm going to use this weird limey color. These are also from Piper Paper Company. Oh, those were from Creative Camera Studio, by the way. So I'm more susceptible to severe COVID symptoms, and my husband's an EMT. So wanted to get that out of the way, not have to worry about it. So I am getting that done on Wednesday. It's pretty early in the morning, but I'm probably going to work for like an hour and then go do that and then go back to work. So I will just leave it in that order. Oh, Tuesday night, we have curling. I'm just like forgetting everything today. I'm going to use the blue ones because I feel like they do kind of go. I believe this is a double late game week. Please don't quote me on that. Could be wrong. These are from the Prairie Planner. She's the only person I know who has curling stickers in her shop, which makes me super excited. I kind of wish they came in gray, like a light gray, in addition to the blue. They don't, but that's fine. Still excited. All right, second half of the week. I think I want to use this little box just to kind of highlight. So on Thursday, it is my sister's birthday. I'll need to make sure to wish her a happy birthday. Before then, I'm going to need to make sure I sent her a present. I have this American Crafts book. It has all these stickers here with little flowers. I think I'm going to use the lime one because, again, I kind of like this color and I feel like it's really funky for like fall time. But I'm going to just use the little flower. I think it's cute. That marks her birthday. After that, I'm going to mark, if I can get one of these stickers up. Okay. I feel like the sheet was cut like 90% perfectly, but it's like just a hair that gets mad. All right, so there's my Thursday and Friday work. That's my plan there. Also on Thursday, I have curling. I marked out Veterans Day, obviously important holiday, but it's my sister's birthday and my grandpa was a veteran or is a veteran. So it's a very memorable holiday for us. So I'm not going to bother putting that in. Also on Friday, I want to stick a video. I think this is going to be my October highlights, but don't quote me on that either. But that video is already up by the time you see this. So if you're interested, check out whatever I did post. And then Saturday and Sunday, I don't really know what we have planned yet. So I'm just going to not fill those in right now. I do have these kind of few things left. Functional wise, I don't think I'm going to end up using the next week in personal. Would be my guess, but that's fine. I can put them in my leftovers, see if I need them for the future. But this is kind of where we're at for the pre-planning. It does have a decent amount, I feel like, compared to where my pre-planning usually has been lately. So I'm excited about that, but definitely got me a good start. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, this lighting's a little terrible, but it is what it is today. Here's the pretty much finished week. I have whatever's going to happen this evening left. All I have left is these two headers from the sheet from kit from Planner Deli. But if I don't mention it, obviously comes from that kit. The two bottom washies are from Michael's, and then the skinny one is from Amazon. And then these are from Piper Paper Company, Creative Camera Studio. All these gold ones are leftovers, I think, from Plannerology Studio, Creative Camera Studio, Creative Camera Studio, Prairie Planner, Piper Paper Company, Creative Camera Studio, an American Crafts book, Creative Camera Studio, Prairie Planner, Creative Camera Studio, Creative Camera Studio, Creative Camera Studio. I think this is probably a Plannerology leftover as well. Creative Camera Studio for both of those. And then this one's from the sticker patch. And that's it. So pretty short and sweet this week, but I love how it turned out and super fun for sure. I haven't used a Planner Deli kit before, but I definitely will be using them again in the future because I think this was really fun and it was a pretty good kit layout wise for me to use. I think that turned out pretty well. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what kits you're planning to use for the rest of the year, and also if you have plans for Thanksgiving coming up very soon. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.